Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting the essentials ready: Java, Jenkins LTS, and a reachable server on port 8080. Install recommended plugins for Git, pipeline, and credentials to enable core CI features. Once done, unlock Jenkins with the initial admin password, create an admin user, and add repository credentials using a clear credentials ID. Make sure the Git host connection tests green. That step saves time later when pipelines need to clone code. You now create the pipeline that automates build and test. Start a new pipeline job and point it to your repo or a Jenkins file stored alongside the code. In the Jenkins file, define stages such as checkout, build, unit test, and package, and choose an appropriate agent label for your runner. Use environment variables to keep secrets out of code, credentials binding for tokens, and stash or artifact archiving between stages. Parallelize tests where possible to speed up feedback. You finish by adding deployment and observability. Add a deploy stage that runs only on tagged commits or a manual approval. Use the same credentials store and harden deploy scripts or containers. Configure post-build actions, archive artifacts, send Slack or email notifications, and set webhooks so pushes trigger builds automatically. If something fails, check the console log for the failing step, rerun the pipeline from that stage, and confirm the agent has required tools and matching plugin versions. That single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.